Rituja Amol Lad, working as assistant professor in College of Engineering, Fulton, from Computer Department. My subject name is Software Engineering. The first experiment is to perform the system analysis and requirement analysis and SRS. Then, what is software engineering? Software engineering is a process of designing, developing, and testing and maintaining the software. That means user can require your requirement. This requirement can design, develop, and test and maintain and give the product of the user. That is the software engineering. It is a systematical and a disciplined approach of software development that aim to create high quality, reliable, and maintainable software. Software engineering include various techniques, technical tools, and methodology are used for analysis, designing, testing, and maintenance. What is requirement analysis? Then, requirement analysis is the process of defining, document, and mapping the expectation of user and stakeholder. That is the requirement analysis. What is the SRS? SRS is a software requirement specification. It is a completely document or description of a requirement system for a software application. That is the SRS. Then next, key aspect of requirement analysis. First is illustration. Illustration means gather the requirement through various methods like interviews, survey, and document for analysis. The second is analysis. Analysis is identify and resolve issue like completeness and gather the requirement. The second is documentation. Create the structured document like for SRS to clear the identify the requirement. Second is validation. Validation is ensure that document required and accept that the document for stakeholder and user. Next, what is SRS? SRS is software requirement specification. It is completely document and describe the requirement of system software application. That is the SRS. What is the purpose of SRS? Clear communication between stakeholder and developer. Base for designing, coding, and testing, and avoid misunderstanding for stakeholder and developer. Some importance of software requirement specification. First is clarity and understanding. First, clarity and understanding. What is the clarity? Clarity means the user can require your requirement, then this requirement can gather for another stakeholder. That is the illustration. That means the clear and understand what your project. Then base of project planning. Second, guidance for development team. Facility testing and quality assurance. Changing management, client and stakeholder satisfaction. This is some importance of software requirement specification. Some contents used for SRS. First is functional requirement. Second, non-functional requirement. Designing constraint, interface, and performance criteria. These are some contents of the for the system for SRS. What is the conclusion of this SRS and software requirement analysis? Requirement analysis is the foundation of the development.